He just passes out right here.
Right now, Steamboat needs to feed off the energy from all the little dragons out there.
In a standard tag team match, one competitor is in the ring against an opponent, and their teammate is in their corner, standing on the ring apron. I should also point out that the competitor in the ring, as far as the referee is concerned, is the legal man. Only the legal man can attempt to score a fall over an opponent, who will be defeated by an opponent.
In a tag match, when a superstar tags their partner, the person who tagged out has until the referees count 5 to exit the ring. For a tag to be considered legal, both of the superstars' feet have to be on the apron. The partner...
Look at Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
Steamboat from the top, diving cross body. That should do it.
When you talk about great tag teams, we can go all the way.
They did it. Wow, what a match.
And here's another glance at these superstars in action.
He ain't playing here. No doubt about it, he brought his A game, as you can see here.
Here are your winners, the Tornado, Kerry Van Erich, and Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
And that's a nice win for these two here tonight.
When you put these two together, victory is really the only plausible outcome.
Folks, if you're just tuning in, you just missed one of the greatest tag team matches I've seen in years.